Set up a Shopify shop in 90 seconds. Add your email and select whether you're just starting or already selling. Select where you plan on selling, so online, in person, existing shop or blog, social media, and then you're going to select what products you plan or how you plan on using your website. These are my options here, so this might vary for you. Go ahead and set your country here like this. It's very simple, very straightforward, and then it will continue through. I'm doing email because that's how I have decided to set up, and then I'm going to set myself a new password on here. And here we go, starting to set up your shop. This is the page you'll land on. This is homepage. Go down to online store here where you can see the eye. Just press on there and it will take you through to online store. And here you have your themes, and your themes are the style of your website, how your website will appear. And it also has templates inside each one that go along with this theme. So I really like this Sense one here, so I'm just going to add this one. And if we scroll back up to the top, you'll see that Sense is still loading and you currently have Dawn. So we need to make sure that we publish our Sense theme down here. So I'm just going to press publish and it's going to start doing its work for me. This is going to take a little bit of time. I've just sped this up a bit for you, and we'll publish that. And then you can see up the top there that your theme has changed, and this will be the structure of your website. So if you would like to see more development, then head over and follow me for more.